Can ashwagandha boost testosterone? Discover the benefits and risks. In today's fast-paced world, many seek natural solutions to restore balance and vitality. Ashwagandha, an ancient herb from Ayurvedic medicine, has surged in popularity for its supposed ability to increase testosterone levels and improve male health. But how much of this is backed by science, and what should you know before trying it? Ashwagandha, scientifically known as Withania somnifera, is traditionally used to reduce stress, boost energy, and enhance longevity. Its adaptogenic properties help the body cope with physical and mental challenges, making it a popular supplement in wellness circles. However, one of the most intriguing and debated benefits is its potential to increase testosterone, the primary male sex hormone linked to libido, muscle growth, energy levels, and mood. Clinical studies have shown promising results. In particular, ashwagandha root extract has been associated with increased serum testosterone in men undergoing resistance training and in those with fertility concerns. One randomized controlled trial revealed that men who took ashwagandha for 8 weeks experienced a significant increase in testosterone and muscle strength compared to a placebo group. These findings suggest that ashwagandha might support anabolic processes and hormonal health, especially when combined with a healthy lifestyle. However, the benefits may not be universal. The effects of ashwagandha can vary depending on age, baseline testosterone levels, and overall health. For healthy men with normal testosterone levels, the increase may be modest or negligible. Furthermore, while the herb is considered safe for most people, some users report side effects such as gastrointestinal discomfort, drowsiness, or changes in blood pressure and thyroid function. It's important to approach ashwagandha not as a magic pill but as a complementary aid. It works best alongside proper nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress management. Consulting a healthcare provider before starting any supplement is crucial, especially for those on medication or managing chronic conditions. In summary, ashwagandha may indeed support testosterone production, especially in stressed individuals or those with low levels. Still, individual results vary, and the herb should be used thoughtfully. Have you tried ashwagandha or are considering it for its testosterone boosting effects? What results have you seen, or what's holding you back?